Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export your Canva presentation with animations onto a PowerPoint. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, for example, this is your presentation. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and play it just for you to see that it has an animation. Okay, as you might have noticed, again, there you go. So to convert it as a PowerPoint presentation, just go ahead and go to the top right and click on Share. All right. And you will have the option here for Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. If you can't see it, you can just go ahead and click on See All, like so, and select PowerPoint once more. Click on it, and then go ahead and click on Download. All right. Just wait for it. And once done, go ahead and save it wherever you want. Okay. For example, animated PPTX. Save. It's done. So I'm going to open it up just for you to see. All right. And there you have it. Okay. For some, this presentation right here will work, or the animations will work. But if it doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and add in a new slide. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the Canva again. And then I'm going to hit on Share. I'm going to download this one as a video, all right? As an MP4. So go ahead and find MP4. Download, click on file type, select MP4 video, all right? Once done, hit on download and do this to each of your slides from here, okay? And it's done, all right? Let's go ahead and save it to our desktop, like so. Here we have the video. So what we'll do, okay, in the next slide, I'm going to go ahead and put the video right here. Just wait for it to upload. All right. Now you can go ahead and resize this one. Let's move to the second slide right here. Fit like so. And then once done, let's just go ahead and use the slideshow from the beginning. Display. Swap. All right, so this is the first slide, right? We downloaded this one or exported this one to PowerPoint, but the animation didn't work. So the second slide, it should work. There you have it. As easy as that. All right. Again, the first slide, did it work? Second slide, it works. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.